Hello, it's a cloudy day. That's my Indian mango tree that we trimmed uh, around 2 months ago, 3 months ago. Kinalbo siya talaga. And then now, ayan po, meron na siyang newly sprouted leaves. And meron po kaming talong. We planted talong and okra. Then we have here banana trees and guava, and excuse me, poste po. And there, yan po ang aming papaya tree. Meron pa po banda doon. Hi, Whitey. Hi, Whitey. Oh, that's Whitey. And that's our calamansi tree. May bamboo tree po doon. Malunggay, which pinutol namin because masyado na siyang mataas. And this one is rambutan. Oh, I don't know. Is this rambutan or chico? I forgot. Okay. Okay, so during the pandemic, yun po yung aming nagawa sa bakuran. Not so much of cleaning and reorganizing because wala pong mga makatulong dahil wala pong mga makapasok na mga helpers. So meron pong isa but not really regularly coming to do the task. Oh, I forgot. This is one of my guyabano trees. And over there yung aking buko. And doon sa corner, how do I zoom this? Bakit hindi ko siya ma-zoom? Anyway, doon sa corner, yun yung kalamansi. And then kalat. And then more guyabano trees. And the fortune tree. Okay. Basically, yan po ang aking backyard. Oops, excuse me, poste ulit. And if you notice, hindi po yun baha, yun po ay ilog. Yes po. Nasa likuran po namin ang ilog. So, yes po. Okay. So, basically, this is my very first video Oh, do you hear those? Yes po. Dito po sa place namin, you can hear those birds. Different kinds of birds. Bird sanctuary po itong aming lugar. Alright, just like what I mentioned, basically this is my first video for this vlog. I've been thinking of making videos, but I really can't think of a theme. I really can't think of how I don't know how I'm going to start it. I don't know if I'm going to start it right or I'm gonna do it right. Naisip ko lang to take a video of my backyard. So that's about it. And I really hope I could show myself, but I cannot because I'm not presentable yet. Oh, there's a bird up there. Hindi po ako makasuklay, hindi po ako makaayos ng hair, hindi po ako makabihis on my own yet, and most of all, the sleeves of my blouses, my clothes, won't fit my arm this time, at this point, kasi po I had another fall. Okay, so hey Whitey, why? Okay. So, kwento ko po on my next video, on my next post, or maybe the continuation of this video, what happened. Okay. BRB, as the young ones say, or luma na po ba yung, oh, sinasabayan ako ni Whitey, luma na po ba yung BRB, which means be right back.